Hi, Dave Snyder here. I just want to say, this I'm encoding a video right now that's going to be pretty incredible. I think what I discovered right before I made the video um, was this the Eye of Horus pattern that I showed the other day. This one here in the video on Easter. This is the Eye of Horus pattern. It is absolutely what it is. There's no question about that. This is where it comes from, either the weather or from the moon. More than likely from the moon. But anyways, the weather is showing the Eye of Horus, and it shows one important thing. One important thing, I think, when it comes to the Sailor Moon thing that I watch, and where they say, "Look into my eye, it's the source of my oath. Look into my eye, it's the source of this world." It's in the lyrics of a song, and there's words in between, but it is the source of the world. This eye is the source of everything. It shapes everything. It's in so many places, it has so many things. Hurricane Matthew was this eye, was this same pattern. It didn't look exactly like this, but trust me, the center part of it, I took Hurricane Matthew and overlaid it all over the planet when it was happening. I saved a picture of the storm, the infrared or whatever, and I took it and overlaid it in Africa. Up here, perfect. It goes right here somewhere. I can't remember exactly, but I have the overlay somewhere. But it goes right up here, perfect. I had it all over the place. It fit perfect all over the place, because this is the same thing as Hurricane Sandy or Superstorm Sandy. This is the same thing. It's the same pattern. I just showed that yesterday in that video. That it lined up exactly the same as Superstorm Sandy. So this is that, and it comes from here. Okay, look. There's Africa. You can clearly see the Horn of Africa in that weather. This is in the North Pacific. This weather that we're looking at here. Okay, but it's not necessarily over the spot where it originated, for sure. But anyways, the weather's showing this. It shows you how to put the Earth together, because this absolutely shows South America was here. Because look at the way you have the orange there lined up in the corner. Now look, as you go down south along the Andes there, look how it curves back. Like South America, the tip of South America down there, it curves back in the exact same place, and the exact gentle, curve back, just like that. It's straight. They leave a little bit out right here. You can see, it steps over like a. That's just they're lame, but you can see it there. Curves right in the right place. Africa, you can see this spot is Lake Victoria. The Horn of Africa is in there good enough. That's why they don't give it to you that great, because man, you would really be able to find some stuff, by doing this. I think this is how they find gold and all that good stuff. But here you go. This eye is the source, and this eye goes over the Sahara. We did that yesterday. Goes over the Sahara Desert just perfectly. Remember that? Okay. Well, it goes over Hurricane Sandy, which was over North America, so that's pretty cool. It creates that area. Obviously, that pattern shown in North America over here as Hurricane Sandy or Superstorm Sandy, I call it. I don't even call it a hurricane, but I guess it was a hurricane, because hurricanes are are the ones that shape themselves like these. The hurricanes and the typhoons, and storms too. There doesn't have to be either one of those. It could be just a storm over California or over the Rockies. It usually shows a big perfect circle there, or like an oval shape. But the perfect circle there is like the Colorado Sea. They have the big sea that's just a big round sea. There's a reason for that. There's a reason why it's a perfectly round sea. Because Colorado, right in the center, like during the flooding, they had that real bad flooding that one year. That wiped out a bunch of towns and stuff in Colorado. There was a perfect circle of radar there. I have it saved, but it was a perfect, beautiful circle there, and that's why the sea for Colorado is a perfect circle. It's not like just some fancy sea or something, or longer than it is, or taller than it is wide. It's just a circle. That's the reason why, guaranteed. So anyways, I just want to point that out. That Sailor Moon stuff is cool. I like the lyrics for that. That really, it is the source. The eye is the source of the world, and that's no joke. And that's why this is so popular around since ancient times. That's why. That's why the Eye of Horus is so important. And it is important. I look at it differently now. I totally look at it differently. Totally. I have some type of respect for it, for sure. No doubt about it. How could you not? How could you not? That's where it all comes from. I mean, as far as geologically speaking, that's where it comes from. That has to be it. You can double check it all. I mean, I'm positive that's all correct. Because I know South America is here. I've put it there countless times over the years. Countless times. I know New Zealand shows in South America. I know it was there. And they say it comes from over here on this side of Africa. Maybe at some point, but it sure don't look like it was created like that. It looks like it was created two different, you see what I'm saying? And pushed two different directions. This was pushed that way, and Africa pushed that way. Because Africa's here now, right? But it was here. This is a definite. It was definitely with this area of the earth. The weather would show that. And I guarantee that South America was over here. There's so much to prove that. Over the years, I've proven that with that big curve that's there in South America, which is right there in the ocean floor. Right under here, right behind here, there's that big curve in the ocean. I have to go down here to show you. Right here. See the big? It's up. See, it's a little higher, but I'm telling you, it was here. That's what created that curve right there. Is what creates that shape in South America, right here. So, anyways, have a great night, great morning, great day, whichever. Till next time. Thanks for watching.